Okay, today's quick project is I'm going to put a table above the washer and dryer to give more workspace and prevent things from falling through. I have some extra wood and should be quick and easy. Alright, so I have these all cut and I have them just a hair taller than the washer and dryer. And so what I'll probably do is the ones along the wall, probably have them flat, and then the ones in the back probably go like that. And so I'll probably do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then maybe 6. And then I'll cut the plywood to take care of the shapes in the back. Top is cut, fits great. Now I need to figure out the 2x4s and how to hold it up. Alright, so I put a 2x4 on each side. So I got 2 over there, 2 in the middle, and then on the sides. And then I even trimmed the bottom of the studs to go around the baseboards. And it's super sturdy, things not going anywhere. Now I need to, well, I'm done for the day. I need to find a cool material to put on top. Okay, so today's day 2. I'm gonna wrap this up. I have these wood-looking boards, whatever you want to call them. I'm gonna go across the top, make it look nice. I bought a nice trim piece for the edge. So the top laminate is on, looks great. I guess I didn't add it up properly. I should have had it come up to here perfectly, so I have to trim a little bit off. But this is all like glued down now, so it's not going anywhere. And I have some side pieces and some trim, and then I'll put the piece in the back, but I'm gonna take a break. Alright, so this was today's project, all done. Looks good. Even remounted the Dyson thingy.